target railway exams, RRB NTPC official question. You can check the date and time also. Tony should get 40% of the total marks to pass. He obtained 120 marks and failed by 30 marks. What are the total marks? I am taking total marks is X. He get 40% of the marks to pass. If he obtained 120 marks and failed by 30 marks, suppose he got 30 marks, he will be pass. It is 150. It is 40x by 100. 0, 0 cancel. 4, 25 times. X equal to 25 into 15, that is 375. Fourth option. Subscribe me to do more number of railway bits. Guys, thank you and encouraging me. Thank you so much.